our Mortadella Fig Focaccianini. And because we call it Focaccianini, we gotta use focaccia, right? And this is fresh from the bakery. It's a real traditional Italian bread, really oily, a lot of times studded with herbs and tomatoes. This is just gonna be perfect vehicle for our creamy mortadella, our stinky cheese, our fruity fig. It's awesome. And when I'm making a focaccianini, any type of press sandwich, make it big, right? We're putting all this work into it. Make yourself a big old sandwich, huh? Look at these figs. The balsamic, the sugar infused in there. That's gonna go right into a food processor and zip it up. You know, we want it spreadable. We're making a fig spread here. Look at it go. That's right. Perfect. What I love most about figs is that crunch of the seed, you know? Can you kind of hear it? It's awesome. It's gonna add a great textural element to our sandwich right now, which we are gonna build because I'm hungry. Let's make it happen. Spread it on the bottom, nice layer. Once that cheese hits it, once the mortadella hits it, heaven. So this stuff, it's kind of a hybrid between Fontina, mozzarella, provolone. It's an American-made cheese, so it's not Fontina. It is original. It's Fontinella. Pretty indigenous to Chicago as well. It's so sharp, it's so creamy, it melts really nice. If you can't find this cheese in your grocery store, use Asiago, use a nice sharp aged provolone. The stinkier the better. Pairs really nice with that fig and that mortadella. So cut some of that, lay it even right on there, nice and thick. There's only 3 ingredients going in between the buns here, so we want to make those ingredients shine. Right under there, perfect. Now, for the main event, my favorite deli meat, mortadella. It's studded with pistachios, give you that nice nutty crunch in there. Those white little flecks, that's fat. It's gonna make it a really nice buttery bite. It's like high-class bologna, and every house should have at least a pound of this in their fridge. For moments like these, when we're making the sandwiches, perfect. Let's close it. Let's brush it with a good amount of oil. Let it glisten. We're gonna put it on a nice flat surface like this. You want this to go a little low, a little slow. You don't want it too hot. You wanna help activate all those oils that are in that focaccia already. Since I don't have a panini press, because, you know, I ain't no millionaire. I don't have all this equipment, but I do have a bacon press. Paninis are supposed to be pressed, they're supposed to be grilled, kind of compacted, nice, so all those flavors kind of meld together. So we're gonna mimic that with the nice little bacon press. So let it go for a little bit, let it activate. And I'm gonna get to making these other sandwiches. So I have a feeling one is not gonna do it. All right, looks like my focaccianini is ready to be flipped here. Nice and oily on this side. Put the press down. I'm gonna finish these other 3. My last focaccianini, brushed with oil, ready to go on the press. This guy is done. Look at that. All that heat kind of traveled up, kind of crisped up that mortadella there. I think it's time to cut into this. We want a nice triangular cut here. Get a nice little pointy bite out of that. Look at that beauty. Look at that. You see the fig spread, the cheese, the mortadella nicely rendered. Put that in there. I think it's time to try it. Focaccia is so fresh. It's got that oily crispness to it. And right on down, man. When my teeth hit that buttery mortadella, that really sharp fontinella, that's all offset by the sweetness of the fig and those seeds popping in my mouth. It is a perfect bite.